Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to make a bead bag. I already did one tutorial of how to make a bead bag, but this is more like a box bead bag. So the first thing you want to do is to cut out your string. So I'm going to be measuring about 60 and more inches. You can see that. So after you've done that, you want to pick up your beaded ball. So you'll be starting with 4 beaded balls. So that's 1, 2, and the third one, and then the fourth one to cross like so. And then you pull to the end to make sure it's firm. So you can use a fishing line of from 50 to 70 depending on the size of the beaded ball you're using. So repeat that again, one on the left, one on the right, and then one to cross, just like so. And again, one on the left hand string and one on the right hand string, and then one beaded ball to cross. So you just pass it from both ends and then you pull. Keep repeating that so you've gotten your desired length. And now for the turning, if you want to turn to the other side, this is how you do it. You put 2 beaded ball on one side of the string and then the third one to cross, just like that. So instead of one on the left, one on the right, it's going to be 1 beaded ball, 2 beaded ball on the left or on the right, and then 1 to cross, just like that. You can see that it's turning to the side already. Then you repeat that again, exactly how you did it. So if you are putting the beaded ball on the left hand side, you want to continue with that. Do not put it on the right hand side. So that's 2 beaded ball on the left hand side and then 1 beaded ball to cross, just like that, and you have your perfect turn. So now to continue, you pass your left hand string through the side bead, pull it out just like that, make sure it's firm, and then you pass your string. Because I turned the bead the other way, so I'm still working with the left hand string. So 1 beaded ball and then 1 to cross. So you'll be putting the beaded ball on the opposite string, because if you pass one string through the side bead, you want to put the beaded ball on the opposite string and then 1 to cross. Repeat the same thing again, pass your string through the beaded ball. So it's basically replacing a beaded ball you're supposed to put in, do you understand? And then another beaded ball on the left hand side and then 1 to cross. So you want to continue like that till you've gotten to the end, and then you repeat the same thing, turning, but this time on the right hand side, do you understand? So stay tuned. So now I've gotten to a certain length, so you want to continue all the way through until you've gotten to your desired length. So now I've done the matting process. So this is 20 by 15. So the width is 20 and then the height is 15 for both sides. Then the middle part should be about 7, depending on what you like. So it's just going to basically be like this, folded on one side, folded on the other side, and then I'm going to join it. So here I've attached the handle. I'm going to be posting a video of how to attach the handle, and how to also make the handles too. So it's going to be something like this: fold the ends and then join the side. So now I've attached this one of the side and the under part, so I'll be showing how I did that. So remember, it's 7. I'm working with 7 here, so we have 7 balls, so we're going to be joining it all the way. So you want to pass in your string just like that, then pass it through the side ball again, side beaded ball again rather, and then one string and another to cross, just like that. Please pay proper attention to this so that you can get it. So you pull and then you pass the side string again by the side and another to cross. Do not worry, I'm going to show that properly again. I'm just trying to make sure it's firm. I'm sorry it's going out of the frame, I didn't realize that, but you will still understand it. So we pass it by the side, string by the side like that, then you put one beaded ball on the other side, and then one to cross. We're basically repeating the same thing we did when we were turning to the other line while matting the bag. So just like that, pass your string side like that, pull it out, make sure it's firm. You pass your beaded ball through the other string which you did not pass through the side of the bead, then one to cross, just like that. And you keep repeating that till you get to the end. So now for the final one, this is how you do it. You pass your string through the side and then through the other side again, and then one to cross, just like that. So this time around you don't need an extra beaded ball, you just need one to cross. And once you cross it, then it automatically moves you to the next row. So you want to pass your string, your left hand string, through the side ball again, and then you put that same string, you put in one beaded ball and then one to cross, just like that. So you want to repeat the same process all through, just like that, till you're done. So please stay tuned and enjoy. So yes, now we are done. So you can see how the bead bag is looking. It's looking really nice. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Bye.